A long time ago, a man planted 2 mango trees next to each other by the roadside near the village. Many years later, the 2 trees grew tall. When it was time to produce fruit, something painful happened. Only one mango tree started producing fruit, while the other one produced nothing, only big green leaves. Seeing this, the man was disappointed, but he said, "There's still time, let's be patient." But many years passed, and that mango tree remained the same, not producing, while the other one never stopped producing. Meanwhile, through all those years, the tree that was not producing never had peace from the one that was producing. The fruitful tree mocked it, saying, "Yes, we grew at the same time, but we are not the same. I produce mangoes for people and animals. You don't produce anything. You are just taking up land. They all love me more than you because I am the one giving them fruit." The tree that was not producing remained quiet, but just as it faced pressure from the other tree, it also faced pressure from the owner and almost all the people in the village. The owner often said he would cut it down because it was not producing mangoes. People passing by always complained, "Why is this mango tree here, producing only leaves and wasting land? The owner should cut it and plant something else." What they did not know was that the owner, the villagers, and even the fruitful tree were all benefiting from the tree that did not produce fruit. It could not produce mangoes, but it was still more useful than they realized. Every afternoon, people went to rest under its wide, cool shade. When the sun was too hot, travelers relaxed there. Anyone avoiding noise from the village went under that tree to find peace. They did not sit under the fruitful tree because it was not as cool and mangoes could fall while they rested. Still, they complained because it did not produce mangoes. One day, the owner of the 2 mango trees decided to cut down the fruitless tree so the fruitful one could have more space and produce even more. Finally, he cut it down. That day, everyone was happy. "Now you can plant something else there. Now the other mango tree will grow better," they said. But after a few weeks, they began to miss the tree that did not produce fruit. The weather was hot, everywhere felt hot, and there was no place to rest. They remembered that when the weather was hot before, they always went under that tree. Now it was gone. Then something strange started happening. The mango tree that had been producing began to dry up. It stopped producing. Its green leaves slowly turned yellow, and in the end, it died. The important mango tree that had been producing for them was gone. Everyone was confused. Some said, "Maybe the weather is too hot." Others said, "Maybe its time is over." Meanwhile, an old woman in the village had been watching quietly. When everyone looked confused, searching for someone or something to blame, she came out and explained